Hey everyone, how's it going? So in this video, I want to talk about how to access your vehicle, your Tesla vehicle, and start it without using the key card, the key phone, or even the key fob. So if you own a Tesla or if you don't own a Tesla, you know that Tesla don't have keys to start the car. They don't even have any keys to even unlock the door or the front or trunk. You actually are provided two key cards. So these are essentially just credit cards with I believe like an NFC or some kind of detection. The vehicle will recognize that it's a encrypted card that matches your vehicle. You get two of these with the Model Y and 3, as well as the S and X refresh. The S and X refresh now also get a key fob in addition to the key card. Most people usually use their cell phone to link it up with the vehicle as a phone key. Some still carry the key card. They just don't want to link it with the phone because what happens if your phone battery dies? So it's good to have a backup. Now that's a lot of stuff to carry: your phone, your key fob, and your key card. Ideally, if you own a Tesla for a while, you probably be using your phone only and then having this key card in your wallet as a backup. Most people don't carry a key fob anymore. And with that said, you get two of these again with any Tesla vehicle. But what happens if you lose this? Or for most cases, you go to a service center and 90% of the time, I'm forgetting to bring the key card. I have to cough out another $25 for them to sync another card with the vehicle so I don't have to drive back home to get it. In other case, if you misplace your wallet or somebody stole your wallet or purse and you lose this key card, and let's say your phone was also in your purse, for example, or you lose your phone or your phone battery dies, what is the backup? You probably have to borrow a friend's phone and call Tesla up and they come out and unlock your car. Or they can do it remotely, assuming that you can verify yourself. That's a big hassle, right? So what can you do without carrying a key card? And let's say your phone died. There's an option. It's called a key ring or ring key, whatever you want to call it. So this is not from Tesla. This is actually from Hanshow. And it has a nice Tesla logo on it. You can actually get this engraved, I believe. It comes in white and black. This looks more like a dark space gray. Different ring size. Check them out in the link of the description. This acts basically as a key card. And how you sync this up is, again, this on the website only state it works for Model 3. I'm in the Model Y and I tested out. It works. So I assume it will work for the new Tesla Model X and S refresh. You just hit, well, you go to locks and you click on the plus sign and you will pretend this is a key card. So you will follow this direction here. Place this ring on top of the sensor. So now it detects there's a new key card. It's actually a key ring. Use your existing key card that is synced with your vehicle already to confirm. And now it added a new key card. So you can rename this as ring key. So now you have a ring key on this vehicle and you can start it with just this ring. So no longer you have to carry that key card, or even your phone runs out of battery, you don't have to worry about it. And the best part is if you forgot your phone or your key card, you can just keep your ring on. And if you're married, you can get your partner a second ring. So you can go pair black and white, black and black. It's just a perfect ideal situation to have as a backup or even as your primary key card. Comes with a ring case as well. So now I don't have to carry this key card anymore, and I can just either put this in a locked glove box in case if I go visit a service center, or I can just leave it at home now. In addition, you don't have to carry your key fob, and if you happen to forget your phone or your phone runs out of battery, you have your ring key. I have a promotional code in the description of this video if you're interested. It's not that expensive, especially with the promo code. Save you quite a bit of money. Again, check them out from Hand Show. Link in the description. Catch you all next time. Remember to subscribe.